AI coding is here, but the workflow is still scattered across chats, tasks, repositories, and disconnected AI tools. Codet brings it all together: agents, models, reviews, repositories, and releases, connected in one AI-native DevOps platform. One place to plan, build, review, and ship software with AI agents. In Codet, you can switch between different AI models freely. Codet goes beyond a single AI coding agent. Run multiple agents in parallel, with full control when you need it, and autopilot when you don't. Review changes automatically. Merge them straight into your repositories. Run Codet in the cloud, or self-host it with full control. Watch the pipeline end to end. Step in anytime. An issue pops up during your tea break, your bot is already on it. So you can sit back, sip your tea, and ship more software. Codet. AI that works where developers work. Built by Gitea. Get with a cup of tea.